This is my green tea. And this is my bag. Okay. Okay, this is like an impromptu room tour. Okay. This is like the Bible that I bring with me every time. My chargers are all messy. This is my prayer. This is the tissue. This is like a decor gasol. And this is the bed. Okay, so this man is Dominic reading something. And this is like a king size bed. Okay. They just give out like 2 pillows, but I asked for additional pillow, and I always bring like a blanket with me because Dominic wants the aircon to be at level 12. And then this is my foot pillow, so sometimes okay, and okay, so this is it. This is Dominic's bag, Dominic's things. It's a little messy on this side. This is the bar area. So there's like throw pillows there that you can use on your bed. There's 2 drinks here. Okay. There. Okay. See, they will give you complimentary. There. Okay, so kinukuha ko siya, nilalagay ko na siya dito every day kasi we're staying here for 3 nights para nare-refill siya. Kasi ito yung tea. So this is the fridge, small fridge. So ayan, may bayad na yan. And then ito yung ayan. Ayan, dyan nilalagay mga important things. May hanger area. This is the door. And this is the restroom. So, ayan yung mga ayan, ito yung mga binibigay nila. Okay. So, ito yung mga things ko. Ayan. This is the mirror. Yan yung things ni Dominic. Yan yung ginagamit ko. And this is yung shower area. There you go. So, ito yung binibigay nila every day. So, kailangan kinukuha ko din siya para nare-refill every day. This is the shower. Oops. Flashlight. Okay, so dito sinasabit. May parang may ano dito. Yan. Yung mga things. Bags. Hanger area. Pero pag pumasok kayo, yan. There's the guy pretending to read TV. Okay, so that is his phone. And then just a mirror here. So, okay, let's go out sa balcony. Oh, yun pala, meron siyang ganyan. Lahat ng rooms. Okay, kailangan natin siya masara. Hindi na siya masara. Oops, sorry. So, yan. Meron siyang sitting area here. And then, a sitting area here. And then, a hanging area. Nandiyan yung mga damit ko kasi na basa. Okay, so ngayon, gloomy yung weather today. Walang tao. Walang tao dito. Kasi 12 rooms lang meron dito. So, ayan. Konti lang talaga. Parang very private here. Tapos dito yung massage area nila. So, 10,000 to 12,000 a night here to stay. Pero, ayan, sobrang tahimik lang talaga compared to the other hotels. Okay. Balik na tayo dito sa loob.